Here we go. So they're finally here, performing for you. If you know the words, you can join in too. Put your hands together if you wanna clap as we take you through this monster rap. TM Throttle Monster. Here we have Jurassic Attack. You know him well. He's finally back to crush some cars. He has a new look, a robot look. If he rams ya, it's gonna hurt. He's bigger, faster, and stronger too. He's the first member of Team Throttle Monster. TM Throttle Monster. TM Throttle Monster's here. Queen Bee's got style. So listen up, dudes. She can spread her wings and hover in the air. She can grow the flowers when she needs to and make a jar of honey just for you. If you choose her, you'll not choose wrong. With a whip and a swoop, she's one cool truck. TM Throttle Monster. Vendetta has no style. He has no grace. This truck is in black and red. He can nose wheelie when he needs to and do a donut just for you. Inflate his tires just like a balloon. This truck just digs his tune. TM Throttle Monster. TM Throttle Monster's here. Octonator is here and about time too. And this time he's ready to go. With his tentacles out, he can swing on bars and crush those cars into pancakes. With this truck out, he's taking the water, but opponents beware because he's after you. TM Throttle Monster. Finally, it's Velociraptor. He's the last member of Team Throttle Monster. This truck's so strong, it isn't funny. You can make an opponent cry out for mommy. You can pick up a van with relative ease. Makes crushing cars seem such a breeze. This truck moves fast and he can jump high. This makes his truck one hell of a guy. Come on, Gravedigger, take it to the track. Crush cars, crush vans, into a whole lot of oil, smoke, fire, dirt, and backflip ramps.